This tutorial teaches only a small portion of this dance. This is not a tutorial for the full dance.
With your left hand behind your head and your right arm extended straight out toward the camera, palm facing out, bend your right knee to the left as you angle your body to the left. Move your right hand in 2 small clockwise circles, then change positions to do this move in the opposite direction. Hop slightly to bring your feet apart as you turn to face the camera and put your left hand on your hip. Swing your right arm up and to the right as you turn your heels to the right, then turn your heels to the left as you begin swinging your arm in and down. Turn your heels to the right again as your arm swings down and to the right. Turn your heels to the left as your arm moves back in and up, then do the previous moves again. Bring your feet together and turn your right knee to the left as you cross your arms down in front of you to bring your hands near the opposite hips. Switch the positions of your knees as you move your hands up to either side of your chest. Switch the positions of your knees again as you extend both arms up, then hop in place as you move your arms in 4 small inward circles. Cross your right foot in front of your left foot as you put your right hand on your right shoulder and keep your left arm extended up. Cross your left foot in front of your right foot as you switch the positions of your arms, then step over to the right on your right foot as you look to the left, extend your left arm out to the left, and put your right hand on your right shoulder again while leaning slightly to the right. Switch the positions of your arms as you look to the right and lean slightly to the left. Look at the camera and lean to the right again as you swing your right arm over your head, then lean to the left, right, and left as you swing your right arm out, in, and out. Putting your left hand on your hip, step forward on your left foot and begin swinging your right arm in a large counterclockwise circle in front of you. Tap your right foot down behind your left foot so that you are facing to the right as your right arm swings over your head to point at the camera. Swing your right arm back out to the right and down as your right foot steps back out to the right. Step over to the left on your left foot so that you are facing the camera as you swing your right hand up near your left shoulder, pointing to the left. Move both hands out to the left, palms facing up, then move them up and down in a juggling motion as you shake your hips toward the camera. Hop to bring your feet together as you extend your right arm out toward the camera, index finger pointing up, then hop back on your right foot, bringing your left knee up as you swing your right fist down and to the left. Repeat sections 1 through 3. Lean back to the right as you bring your left hand out to the left, palm facing up with your right hand above it, palm facing in. Swipe your right hand above your left hand 4 times while moving it to the right, leaning away from it the whole time. Bring your feet together and hop in place as you lean down and twirl your arms around each other, moving your arms up and standing back up as you do so. Wave your hands out above your shoulders, palms facing out, and fingers spread out. Step back on your right foot, moving your left hand out in front of you, palm facing up, and placing your right hand on top of it, palm facing down. Lean back as you move your right hand up above your head, then bob your head a few times while bending your knees. Step over to the right on your right foot and turn both knees to the right as you bend your elbows to bring your right fist up near your right shoulder and your left fist down near your left hip. Switch the positions of your arms and legs. Turning your knees to face the camera and keeping your elbows bent, turn your forearms in a clockwise circle, then straighten your legs as you kick your left foot down to the left and extend your right arm up and to the right and your left arm down and to the left, index fingers extended. Repeat these moves in the opposite direction, then once more in the opposite direction. Bring your left foot back down and bend your elbows to bring your fists up near your shoulders. Move your shoulders up and down as you lean back to the right, then around to the left. Keeping your elbows bent, move your left arm in and down as you step back to the right on your right foot while facing slightly to the left. Step behind your right foot with your left foot as your right arm moves in and down, then repeat the first movement of this section before bringing your left knee up and pulling both elbows back near your sides. Repeat the first 3 steps of this section in the opposite direction. Move your right hand near the right side of your head and your left hand near your left shoulder, palms facing out, then push out with both arms as you bring your right knee up. Bringing your right foot back down and keeping your hands in their current positions, make circles with the thumbs and index fingers of both hands. Shake your hands in place as you step in place on your left foot, bending your right knee to bring your right foot up a bit. Bring the toes of your right foot down as your left foot comes up, keeping your left knee straight, then repeat these steps a few more times. Hop to separate your feet as you drop your left arm and extend your right arm straight up, fingers curled into a fist. Bend your knees deeply as you bend your elbows to bring your fists up in a cat-like pose.